Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today, this is just another part of building my model railway. Last night, I filmed a video last night at about 8 o'clock last night. So yeah, and I said it was going to be in about 3 weeks, but I did find some more tracks. So yeah, I found some curbs. So yeah, we've done the sidings line already. Put you guys a little bit more forward. You guys are currently on a couple of my rail magazines. Oh no, don't fall. Right, let me see the view. Oh no, that's bad. Better. Alright, so guys, what we're going to be doing, my branch line kind of got destroyed because I think I might have walked on it. So yeah, I've got a set of points. No, not a set of points, just one random point. Got a bunch of third radius curves. And I've got the booklet. Alright, so we've done the branch line bit. There's 2 more pieces of track for the branch line that I need, and that's one long straight and a rail end. So yeah, we're going to be starting on the main line. So yeah. I don't know what way to put my phone up, but yeah, we're going to be starting on the main line there. You see where the end of that track is, we're going to be starting there. So yeah. What should I do? Just take my phone off charge real quick, because it's currently on charge. I'm just going to put the cable through there. So yeah, we're going to be doing this. Wait a minute. So yes guys, sorry about that. Yeah, so we're going to be using these third radius tracks. And we're going to be starting with the main line. Don't know what percentage my phone's on. It's only been 3 minutes. I'll just take it off charge for now. So yeah, first that way. It's going that way, and it's kind of complicated. If I did have another second radius curve, I would connect it to this bit. I go around like that, and then that connects to the main line from the sidings branch line. So yeah, and what we're doing here is this. So first up guys, what are we doing? I've got a bunch of these tracks. Let me just get the block for me. it's kind of complicated. Right, so we're getting these three tracks there, and let's put them around and make sure, like I said in my last video, there's no bumps where on the track where you've put the track. So this, like I just told you guys, this is starting on the main line. So yeah, make sure there's no bumps and stuff. Yeah, just like that, guys. And yeah, so make sure there's no bumps where the fish plate and where you connect the thing with the fish plate. So yeah. So that's kind of complete. And then, what next? We're gonna have to put a pointer next, I believe. Alright, and then in this middle track here, guys, we're gonna wait. Where do I put it? What way do I put it? This way. Hopefully my phone doesn't die. Hope. Make sure there's no bumps. Okay, so yeah. What else can we put? Okay, that's probably all for today's video. This is how the layout's looking currently. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, this was part 2 yet. So part 3 will probably be in about 3 weeks. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe.